Buddy, we're gonna talk about this. But you're in the way. Come here. Come here. Eat it. Oh, you rascal. What you doing? See, post box tackle. Yeah, we got a shipment. No, don't drop it. Thank you. Thank you. Anyway, try to get this train on the tracks. Okay, maybe not. My son's not having it. Look at him, buddy, hey, hello. Okay, well, boom. Post box tackle. This is not. They do one of those like monthly mystery tackle boxes. This is not one of those. I purposely ordered this stuff. So bear with me 1 second. And we're open. Let's see what we got today. So this is I've ordered a few things from before. Okay, buddy, this is not for you. Robin. Okay, hello. Hey, hello. Bear, can you let Daddy look at the stuff you ordered, please? Hey. He doesn't even care. No, he doesn't really care. He just doesn't want me to do it. Hey. That's so? What we got here first? That's first some knives. I did already peek in this just to make sure everything's here. One pretty cool thing, you know, we send you like get some stickers and that, and they actually sent these. I didn't order these. They sent these. Just like a little sample pack. A bunch of different. There's some EYG hooks there, and looks like some like the egg hooks from I think these are North Shore. Yeah, North. 1 second. Hold on, guy. Sample hooks. These are nice looking hooks. That's not what I ordered. See that? Canadian.
Yeah!
Yeah, Canadian. Yeah, just like you. And me. So, been on a real X-Zone kick so far this year. I got a little wacky rig tool. Really what I was ordering for, what I wanted was these. Perfect Jig tungsten underspin hooks for my swim jigs. That's the real reason why I ordered this stuff. I figured while I was at it, I can get some more swim baits. So I got those. I got 2 packs of these. Canadian company. Boom. Some more of the Swammers. Got them in perch color because you can never go wrong with perch color. I got 2 of these. Boom. Here you go, buddy. Play with those. I got some of the Adrenaline Craws. I got them in white with the Pro color. These are the 4 1/4 inch. I got in watermelon red flake. Springtime's great for anything with a little bit of red in it. I find these work really well, and most of the waters I fish in are kind of like muddy looking, little stain. But that little red flakes really pop, and especially early season for bass has not failed me yet. I got one more thing in here. Yeah? Okay. Another sticker. But anyway, they were fast. Post box tackle. Like I said, I've ordered stuff from them before. They're actually the reason why I started getting X-Zone soft plastics. Sample pack. They had some in there. And most of the stuff they do sell is Canadian sourced, which is really what I'm trying to do this year. I'm trying to get a lot more Canadian sourced fishing gear. Like no knock on American stuff or anything, but you know, I want to support my fellow Canadians. So, sorry, trying to get my. There you go. I want to support my fellow Canadians. I want to get more Canadian made fishing gear. But I know, as far as I know, X-Zone, I believe they were made by a Canadian, but I'm not sure. But anyway, either way, this adds to my collection. I've loaded up on a bunch of X-Zone fishing stuff this year, so pretty excited. Bass season for me. We got a place up north. It's the 3rd week of May. Most places in Ontario, it's the third Saturday in May. Most places it's the 3rd Saturday in June. So, like, oh, careful! Little man's trying to climb. Beaver, what are you doing? What are you doing? Anyway, so yeah, excited for that. I see that red pop. I've never really used any pro soft baits or anything really. And you know, I know they're really good for catching bass, so I figured why not try them this year. So pretty excited to get out there. Right now I'm just getting stir crazy. Turkey season is around the corner, so I mean that's a bonus. But anyway, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. And hopefully sooner than later we'll get some fishing content. Because I cannot wait to go catch a bass or pike. Shit, I'll take a bluegill. I'll take anything at this point. I'll catch a crawfish. I'll be happy. So, anyway, thanks a lot. You guys have a great day. Bye.